my name is Megan and I'm the big boss lady of Wood Stencil Co. Today I'm reporting live from my new room because we just repainted it. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your very own DIY canvas art kit. It's pretty simple, but you can put a lot of personality into it and you can be super creative with it. Let's get started. In your DIY craft kit, you will have one canvas, your chosen stencil and transfer tape, your chosen colors of paint, foam brushes, and a T-pen. There are many different options when you're painting your canvas, so before you just jump in and paint it, you might want to think about it a little bit. Some people like the more simple things, just like one color background with vinyl on it. For this one, I did sugar plum background and I had gold vinyl lettering, which I think actually looks really, really nice. Or if you want to do something a little more yada yada yada, then you can try a geometric one, just like this. And to do it, you just take your canvas and put painter's tape on it, and you can do any geometric design that you want. It can either just be one line or lots of lines, and then once you peel off the painter's tape, that could also look really cool. Or, if you want, you could also do an ombre. This one also looks really nice. I did the bottom third sugar plum and the top third majesty. For the middle, I mixed both of these colors on a separate palette, so and it came out as this really nice purple. So I did the purple in the middle, right in the middle, and as I got closer to the pink on the pink side, I used more and more of the pink, so it blended more. And as I got closer to the blue, I used more and more of the blue. But when you're ombreing, make sure you do not mix your paintbrushes, or else you may get some of the opposite color on the wrong side, and then it may just all look the same. Make sure when you're ombreing, you always use water, because when you're doing an ombre, you want to blend it, but you can't really blend it if the paint's already dried to your canvas. Now it's time for me to do my other color. If you're doing the same style that I'm doing, once you're onto your second side, make sure that the previous side you painted does not touch the surface that you're working on, or else that could smudge the paint. Now I'm going to wait for this to dry and then I can do a second coat. If you did something like this, remove any tape you have on it. Make sure it's fully dried. Now it's time to place your vinyl stencil onto your painted canvas. Move your canvas out of the way. Flip over your stencil and carefully remove the backing. You can give it one last smooth over. Make sure that everything comes off with the transfer tape and nothing sticks to the backing of the stencil. This piece is starting to come off. You can just push it back down a little, smooth over it, and roll back over it. Make sure you're rolling your stencil off and not pulling it off from above, because that may rip the stencil. Now you can flip over your stencil and carefully place it onto your canvas. You may want to get a second eye because you don't have a really good view if you're holding it, but just try to make it so that it's centered. You want to smooth your stencil down onto the canvas without denting the canvas. So you could flip it over and do it like that, or get a book and put the book inside it and then smooth over it. You can do whatever you like. Make sure you smooth it down really, really well, because you never want your lettering to fall off. Now I think I'm ready to pull off my transfer tape. Make sure you roll it off and not pull it up. Now you're all done. I hope you enjoyed creating this DIY canvas art kit, and if you really like doing it, or you want to try more DIY craft kits, just like that one, then you can check out our website at woodandstencilco.ca or visit us on Facebook and Instagram at Wood Stencil Co. Bye for now!